First, we cut a board that was 3.5 inches wide into different sized pieces. Next, we cut 2 triangles out of a 3-inch long piece of our board. We nailed in the tops of the seats from the back. Then we nailed in the sides of the seats. After that, we attached the seats along with the piece of wood we attached to the base earlier. After that, we cut the support for the table. We hammered a nail through the tabletop to stick the corn on. We then drilled a hole for the table support. We attached the support to the table. We then attached the whole table to the frame that we built. After that, we hammered in some nails to reinforce the table. Last, we drilled 2 holes to attach it to our deck. Thank you for watching.